as of now, for both the constituencies, the polling percentage was 69.94%, that is close to 70%. It's an average that is Election Commission is giving us now. And as of now, as far as Cooch Behar constituency is concerned, this BJP leaders, they are sounding very happy. They are saying that some amount of digging and some amount of intimidating voters and threatening voters that happened. But even then, they are saying that they are happy with the kind of polling they expected that happened. So they are happy with the polling. Now the TMC minister, Mr. Rabindranath Ghosh, is also the district TMC chief. So he is complaining that many EVMs malfunctioned, and he is also saying that EVMs, they complained, and then the election commission, they replaced the EVMs. But for the second time, third time, they kept on replacing, but even then the EVMs did not work in some booths. So he is demanding reports for several booths. So this is kind of very significant for West Bengal, because in last 7-8 years, maybe since 2011, TMC, the ruling party, never ever asked or demanded for any report. So it always occurred that the opposition parties, they only demanded for reports and all. So this is kind of a shift from the regular practice. So this is all about Cooch Behar. People are still in the queue, voting that's still on. And as far as Alipurduar constituency is concerned, I spoke to the BJP candidate and also the TMC candidate. So the same kind of complaints, the BJP candidate is saying that in some booths where state police personnel were deployed, huge violence going on. So they are saying that our polling agents were not allowed inside the booths, and the polling presiding officer, they were thrown out of the booth, and they just shut the booth, and they are going on with this kind of chappa votes. So primarily the thing is, BJP candidates, they are saying that polling went very well where CRPF, like Central Forces, they were deployed, and on the contrary, TMC candidates, they are saying that polling is going well where state police personnel are deployed. So it's that way.